Hi, in this video I am restoring my old deck and changing its color. You can use the pressure washer if deck is greasy or very dirty. In my case it's not really very bad, so I'm going to use the sanding machine. I will slightly sand it down. Before start sanding, make sure if any nails are coming out, nail them in. I am using 60 grit sandpaper. After you complete sanding, then use brush or rag to wipe all dust. I am using Cabot Deck Correct. This is a good paint for deck. Also important thing with this paint, it cover holes up to 1 by 4 inch, which will definitely increase your deck life. I'm using the brush. If you like, you can use the big brush or the small ruler as well. For the deck, I am using small ruler, but if you like, you can use the bigger one, so it will save a lot of time. And you can see the paint, how nicely it is covering the deck. In Cabot, there are a lot of color choices, but the one I choose, they also add something else with this color, so that make it non-slippery, which is really good, especially if you have kids. Paint has been completed. If you like the video, do not forget to give the thumbs up to the video and subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.